everyone, I'm Debbie from the local tourist office here in Caleta. Something that's not to be missed is the island's 31st Insular Craft Fair, where you have a chance to see all the craft workers that come from all over the Canary Islands. They're going to be present up in Antigua at the Cheese Museum, which is where the actual event takes place. You'll have over 200 stalls there of different craft workers, a chance to do a bit of food tasting, the goat's cheese, the mojo, the spicy sauce, all different things for you to try out while you're there. Good thing is you have free buses available from Caleta de Fuste, Costa Antigua, Coralejo, and also from Costa Calma. You can pick up your free bus tickets in your local tourist offices. It's not just the stalls and things that you have to visit while you're up at the craft fair. You've also got lots of entertainment going on, dancing, and there's musical concerts that are definitely well worth a visit. If you do happen to be taking your car up to the craft fair, you'll actually find you can do what we call the park and ride at the Polideportivo at the Sports Centre of Antigua. You can park your car there, and then they have this little free bus service that runs all day long, all Saturday and Sunday. So look forward to seeing you up in Antigua at the Islands Craft Fair. Don't miss out, use the free bus, and you can use it more than once. If you want to come a few times, no problem at all. So see you in Antigua. Enjoy the Islands Craft Fair. Thank you.